Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by powering off the Macbook and clearing a flat workspace. This prevents dust and accidental inputs. Once ready, warm the edge of the screen guard with a hairdryer on low for about 15 to 20 seconds while keeping the heat moving so you don't damage the display. Then, use your fingernail or a thin plastic card to lift one corner gently. You want a gradual separation, so take your time and stop if you feel resistance. Once you have an edge up, continue removing the guard slowly and steadily, keeping the card or fingertip at a shallow angle, about 20 to 30 degrees, to peel the film off rather than pry it. Make sure to reapply gentle heat to any stubborn sections. Adhesive softens and releases more cleanly that way. You should work across the screen in small sections, practicing patience, and never use metal tools that can scratch the glass. Plastic cards are safe and effective. You finish by removing any adhesive residue. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and wipe in gentle circular motions, making sure the MacBook is powered off and dry before turning it back on. Once done, inspect the screen under bright light for any remaining film or scratches, and make sure the display is clean and streak-free. If a section won't lift, reheat and try again slowly. If you find scratches or damage, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.